morning. We are the team number 2. We are going to present the company of General Motors. The team is
Gerardo Aguirre, Ulises Salas.
and Daniela Landeros. Well, General Motors. General Motors is an American multinational corporation with headquarters in Detroit, Michigan. GM is the design, produce, manufacture, and sell vehicles and related products. Well, we have brands that are in relationship with us as Chevrolet, Cadillac, Opel, Holden, etc. And we have strategic partnerships with Fiat, Chrysler, Suzuki Motors, and Toyota Motors. Well, General Motors have a big history, but it starts in 1909. Why? Because in this year, Louis Chevrolet started with the design of cars. After that, in 1918, it was sold the first truck of Chevrolet and appears the Chevy. After that, in 1965, Chevrolet sold and produced over 3 million of trucks and cars. And finally, in 2014, the company has like the high level because they produced and sold only 1 year 150,000 millions of cars and trucks. The mission of the company. The mission of General Motors. We are a company dedicated to produce and market cars and related products with globally levels in safety, quality, and temporary response capacity. We are committed to the progress of our people, the development of our community, and the enthusiasm of our customers, suppliers, and shareholders. The vision of General Motors is to produce, design, manufacture, and sell the best vehicles in the world.
Easy vision.
Well, we have corporate values as, for example, the teamwork, the responsibility, the respect, the innovations, and others. And we have cultural priorities with our clients that are the speed of our product, the responsibility that we have with the customers, that we need to focus in our customers and in our product, and finally, the risk-taking when we manufacture them. Well, we have K brands of General Motors. As you can see, they are 8, but we have now 2 new that they are Fu Wang and OC Wu in China and in Japan. Yeah. Well, we have like a process to hiring persons that first you need to do like a research of all the options that we offer. Second, you need to select the positions that you have the skills necessary. And that's it, to complete the submit an application online. Well, in these skills, we have like, for example, a bachelor degree in engineering of industrial mechanical or electricity engineering with a minimum of GPA of 3.0 in a scale of 4. After that, you need to have like perfect skills in communications, writing, and verbal practice. You need to have a domination in the language, like your local language, English, and for a plus, another language. And you need the skills like teamwork. You need to have teamwork and ability of analytical ability and others.
When you want to apply for a job in General Motors, you can get in the web page of General Motors, and they display the fabrics that are closer to you. Here in Saltillo, there's a fabric, and the vacancies of the different necessities that the fabric needs. And if you are like an engineer or at the moment they are requiring quality process person and an engineer in design. It's here in Saltillo because we entered with that page. And later you need to create an account and you send your curriculum vitae, and a person online is going to check your profile and later is continue the process. It's the step 2. There is the recruitment is going to review all the resumes that are submitted because General Motors here or in different parts in Mexico, like in Silao or here in Saltillo, are big, huge fabrics with big size and needs a lot of personnel. And well, they have a lot of vacancies, a lot of necessity of people, and they need to review the profiles that are submitted. Uh, in some cases, when you are like the the abilities from the post, you are going to have a phone call for the human resource department to go for an interview or an email in some cases, and you go to the Ramadero, that is the more closer, or here in the more part of the Saltillo fabric, to an interview with the human resources. And it's like a filter. When you upload your skills in internet, but later of the review, you are going to a personal interview. Okay. All right. Later, if you are you have the skills, you are going to be hired. In case of you didn't have the abilities from the job, you are going to be notified for a phone call, because it's like it's out of respect if you don't be notified, you don't apply, you doesn't have the abilities for the job, and you are not expected that you going to be hired. And this is the steps B and C. That is, in case of you didn't have the skills or the abilities for the job, you are going to be notified, and you can apply for another job, another job.
Opportunities.
Okay, what do those General Motor offer to you? They offer a base salary of £70,000, an annual bonus of £8,000, and an annual equity. It depends on the performance of the employee, because if the employee don't work in a good way, they don't give the annual equity. And a signing bonus when the employee is starting on the company of £70,000.
This is annual and annual salary. It's a good salary.
Yes. Okay. As you see, the General Motors have a training school on Detroit, and they teach all the abilities to work in all the chargers inside of the company, like manufacturing, quality, human resources, and in the projects, future projects.
Just because if we have different new process in the fabric, we send the company sends the managers of the different departments to that it's like a small university to learn the processes, and they can learn about the and instruct the workers to be more effective. This is like an example of
Training.
of the training.
Yeah, it's inside of the school, and they're teaching in the early 90s the machines of the Chevy, and this is some students. This is the teacher or the director of the school.
And another job benefit to working in General Motors is you can work overseas, because as we know, General Motors have headquarters in different parts of the world. There are offices in different parts, and if you are a good employee, you can travel overseas to work in a different country.
For example, is at Dubai.
It's at Dubai, China, Canada, Alaska, Mexico. There's a lot of offices. And a program that General Motors having the few years ago, like in 2010, they established a new retirement fund for her employers because they work a lot. They have a very hard schedules to work, and they want to. When you leave the fabric, you can have a good retirement with your family, and it's like a form that the company give.
Thank you for the work that you do to them. Next, please.
This is so how the company publish them. It's a it's a car company, and we know that the cars it's like publish lonely because when you see a car in the street, you say oh I want that car, but for that examples from taxis or family cars, or you see the cars in the social media.
Like
It's
Uber.
in your city you can see the car and it's published like the form with exposition no,
No, they present like in events.
Exhibition.
Exhibition. Yeah, or present the new cars, the new brands, and always there are important people because you will say, oh, it will be my favorite artist, so you want to go, something like that, and you can see the new products.
or with teams with football players or
Yeah.
famous people who use their
They
cars.
are.
This is an image. If the question is if General Motors have outsourcing with other companies, the answer is yes. Here in Saltillo are different companies who produce different parts for their cars. And in the other parts of the world are different fabrics with different names who fabric different parts for the cars of General Motors. It's not like in the fabric of General Motors, it's like an assemble of all the parts that other companies fabric for them. For an extra information, this is the top 5 markets from General Motors. It's China, one of the best. United States, the second one.
The next is Brazil. The fourth is United Kingdom, and the final is Canada.
We have a lot of fabrics in Mexico, but doesn't have
The color.
And with the environmental health from General Motors, they have a regard in 2015 because they try to care about the environment with avoidance of 4,035 millions of energy cost, like it's equality to a reduction of 8,035 homes and equivalent of 1,000 and million
163 million
equivalent
trees.
from
And they are changing these plans every year to benefit the environmental.
No. And another extra information in the Second War, General Motors produced war tanks for the U.S. government. 500 million tanks because
They have
as we know, General Motors have a low sales on 2009. That is in the United States crisis, and they need to record a lot of they need to cut a lot of personnel in the headquarters in Michigan, Detroit. But in these years, General Motors have more sales, and they in all the world sales like 2 million of units of cars, and because it's this foolish campaign.
and they say 5 million thanks because there are 5 million workers around the world that they are thank you for buying the products that they do. So thank you for your attention.
¿Una cuestión?